Welcome back to the Sociometry tutorial video series. In this video, we will go over audio transcription possibilities and the analysis of your session. The Sociometry app allows for the recording of a conversation through a smartphone and enables analysis on a wide array of aspects such as the dominance of speakers, their tempo and tone. Begin at your study dashboard and open your study. After finishing a session, you can now use the transcription and analysis tools of Sociometry. For this, go to the metrics page. Here you can find your sessions and, if there were modules, you can see the answers to the modules. Select the session you just recorded and go to Downloads. Here you can download the answers to your module and the original audio file. In this case, the download button for module was grayed out because there was no module. If there was a module, this button would be blue. To transcribe the audio file, select the spoken language and click on Process Data. Depending on how long the interview was, this takes some time. You can check the status of the transcript. Once it shows done, your audio file is transcribed. You can download the transcript file here. Once the audio is transcribed, the Sociometry app can do the analysis. Click on Process Data, and once the analysis is done, you can download the data as a CSV file. You can also see the data in a graph. Go to Graphs on the top of the page. Here you can see the turn talking and personality inside graphs. In this tutorial we showed you how to transcribe the data and the analysis possibilities of Sociometry. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.